Here's a quick fun video learning English with dogs. The adorable dogs learned how to use the Ring doorbell to get the attention of their owners. The adorable dogs learned how to use the Ring doorbell to get the attention of their owners. The two beautiful and intelligent dogs quickly learned how to use the Ring doorbell to alert their owners to let them inside. Two beautiful and intelligent dogs. Two beautiful and intelligent dogs. Just a quick fun video to practice your English speaking and reading skills. If you like videos like this and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great day and continue improving your English skills. Thank you.